Hello. In this video, I wanted to share with you briefly how I was able to create a design that mimics Oreo cookies. This starts with lowering the circular shape, forming it, and extruding it until I get a three-dimensional shape. Even importing the ready-made image of Oreo biscuits that you downloaded from Google search and placing the shape on it until the measurement becomes correct. Even placing important additions to make the imported image sculpt the shape and make a protrusion in it and smooth it in more than one way. Copy the shape into 2 copies, put the butter inside it, modify it, and smooth it as well to make it look more realistic upon final output. Then we go to the final stages of adding lighting and the camera and changing the color by setting a color close to reality and adding other goodness to make the sculpture on the biscuits and the protrusion a little rough to be more close to reality. Now you have reached the final stage, which is the stage of final rendering. Rendering so that the shape of the shape or biscuit becomes three-dimensional, as you see in front of you. Finally, do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for following.